Hey y'all, John from Roxton Industries here. Keep mosquitoes away this season with our DIY natural mosquito repellent wipe recipe using our very own DIY wipes. So our ingredients are as follows. We have 1 canister of DIY wipes from Roxton Industries. We have a 1.5 cups of distilled water. We have 3/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, and we have 3/4 of a cup of castor oil. We have 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, and we have our mosquito repelling essential oil. I'm gonna say you put a healthy amount in. The amount that was on the recipe we're using was 45 drops, but a healthy amount of your mosquito repelling essential oil. You can use things like citronella is the most popular, but you can also use eucalyptus and lemongrass. That's actually what we're gonna be using here. So now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our solution in a separate container. We're gonna use a mason jar. So we've already put our 1.5 cups of distilled water in here. The next step is to start putting in all of our other ingredients. So rubbing alcohol, castor oil, the 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, and our essential oil. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. And once we've done that, we're going to mix it up with a metal spoon so that the oil doesn't penetrate the spoon if we were to use a plastic spoon or something like that. So this is it. This is our magic mosquito repelling juice, I suppose is what you could call it. But what we put in here, so the lemongrass and eucalyptus, it's thought to repel mosquitoes. And then the castor oil, if you do happen to get a mosquito bite, it actually has anti-inflammatory benefits. So it'll soothe your skin if you've had a mosquito bite. So now that we've got our mosquito repellent juice all set up in our jar, the next step is to pour it into our Roxton DIY wipes. We're going to pour it slowly to make sure there's no spillage, so we do have a measuring cup here, and we're going to allow it to sit for about 10 minutes so that the solution can really permeate the wipes in the container. So there you have it. You now have your very own mosquito repellent wet wipes. Obviously, you can use this on any part of your exposed skin, but you want to make sure you keep it out of your eyes and out of your mouth. And of course, you can increase or decrease the amount of solution that you make in order to reach a desired level of saturation. Whenever you're making your own DIY wipe recipes, always make sure to label your canister with what the active ingredient or the solution you've created is. You don't want to mix them up, especially if you have multiple recipes. Roxton DIY wipes are available in a 1 canister or a 4-pack variation. You can order them online. Have a great day.